Hey guys, welcome to the adventures. I hope you guys all had a great 4th of July, and I didn't release a video yesterday because we got blessed, we got lucky, and we had the day off, which doesn't always happen. We did have to work the 4th of July, but they did cut it down to a single run, which meant that we were able to get back and see the fireworks. That was fun. And if you listen to Sirius XM, then you guys heard my interview with Vivian and Casey, and heard about my little redneck town that I'm from and how people do things a little bit different and laid back. And yeah, we sat in the parking lot to see the fireworks. So it's a common thing. Not everybody goes to the like a fairgrounds or the area they're setting off the fireworks. You just find a good spot where you can see them and you all hang out. And it really helped cut down on traffic. And honestly, after a long day of driving, it made it a little bit more enjoyable. And also on the road, I did make a blueberry pie. It was so good. And then we just had a good, like, wholesome, I think, American meal, which is like a BLT and some fresh corn on the cob. It was really good. But I wanted to touch again, just in case you missed it, I'm excited about the opportunity I have with SiriusXM. And me and Vivian from Lady Luck, she has her own trucking company. We are starting a show on SiriusXM on Casey's line, and it is called The Driven Life. So stay tuned and just watch around. We will pop it up. We will be helping guests air on his show as anchors and kind of do the same thing that he does and give our perspective of the driven life and what it takes to be in the trucking industry from our point of view. So you guys, thanks again for all the support. Don't forget to subscribe and like and all those good things to make sure it's getting pushed out in front of other people so that they can learn the information and have a better life on the road. All right, guys, be safe and enjoy the adventures. Bye.